It was a bittersweet Easter Sunday on Jackson Street in Milwaukee for parishioners of the Cathedral of St. John the Evangelist. Shortly after their Mass, their Archbishop Timothy Dolan was leaving them to replace Cardinal Edward Egan as head of New York's Catholic Church.
The sadness of leaving the Archdiocese of Milwaukee is tempered by the excitement and promise of New York. Happy Easter.
Hundreds of people packed the pews, and there were standing room only as Catholics came to experience a final service with the man they came to love.
This is one of the biggest days. We hate to lose him, but in New York he's going to be something special. You can bet on that.
You are so lucky. You are so lucky to get him. You will love him from the time you meet him.
Whenever I'm in New York, first place I'd go would be St. Patrick's Cathedral and pay him a visit. He's great with names too. He's just got an incredible memory. So even just walking out of the cathedral today, walking past, and he just knows everybody by name and is able to greet them. So I'm sure if I ever went to New York, he'd give me a very nice welcome.
Break the fast.
Good.
That and a can of beer.
That's good.